Hey, this is Nick from Snappa, and today I'll be showing you how to recreate the graphic that we see on the screen here. So the first thing you want to do is scroll down and select the ebook cover dimensions. Once you're in, you can choose from a variety of different templates, or you can choose to create from scratch, and that's what we'll do here. Once we have our blank canvas, we're going to navigate to the top left here and select a background. From here we can choose an image background, we can select a pattern background, we can upload our own image for a background, or we can choose a color background, which we'll do here. So in the colors tab, I can either select from the color picker, or I can type in the hex code that I want. Once I have my background, I can go ahead and add some text. So I'll navigate to the text tab in the top left here. Once I'm here, I'll click add a heading. From here, I'll type in the text that I want. So in this case, spring flowers. And from here, I can change the color to the color of choice. I can resize it to what I want it to be. And I can also change the font style to the font style of choice. Once I have that, I can extend the text box. And I can click and drag and center this to where I want it to be on the cover. And I can also decrease the line height from 1.2 to 0.8. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is add a subheading. So I'll navigate to the text tab again, and I'll click add a subheading. From here, I'll type in the text that I want, and then I'll resize it to the size of choice, in this case 98. And then I'll also change the font style to the font style of choice. Once I have that, I'm going to resize the text box, and then reposition it to where I want it to be. I'm also going to add some text for the author's name, so I'll navigate to the text tab again. I'll click add a subheading. I'll move this down and I'll type in the author's name. Once I have that, I'm going to resize it to the size that I want. I'm going to resize the text box, and then once again, position it to where I want it to be. I'm also going to italicize it. Okay, so now that I have the right titles and colors for the ebook cover, I'm going to navigate to the graphics tab and begin to add some icons. So I'll type in flowers. And from here I can add the icons that I find are appropriate. Once you're done with your graphic, you can adjust the titles and stuff to make sure all the spacing is right. You can also go ahead and adjust the colors depending on what you like and what you don't like. So if I wanted to change the title color to something different, I could do that. Or if I wanted to change the background color, I could also do that as well. It just depends on what you prefer. So that's it for today's episode of the Snappa design tutorial. If you're looking to create graphics within less than 5 minutes, head on over to snappa.com today.